Hello friends, welcome back to my class that is Concept by Pandey sir. Friends, we are actually having a series of classes on engineering graphics. In the previous class, we have discussed a few problem on projections of line that deals about 1 to 8 cases. And today we shall discuss a ninth case, which is a special case. And I have discussed what's the concept in this ninth case. If not, please go back to my previous lectures and look or the watch my previous videos, lectures, and understand the concept and then come back to the problem. Because unless you know the concept, you cannot solve these problems. So out of these four problems, we shall discuss two problems. So which one shall we discuss? Either we shall go with one and third. One and third. So what is first problem? The line AB 75 mm long is inclined at 45 degree to HP and 30 degree to VP. Its one end is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of line. We shall discuss this problem now. So how to draw this problem? So let us begin. To draw any problem, the first and basic thing what you have to do is to draw its reference line or reference plane. So first let me draw its reference. So look at the question, okay now, because in due course of time that would not be visible. So please look at the question. So first I'll draw a reference line. Okay, so I'm drawing the reference line or reference plane. So this is my reference line xy. In the question they told that, what is the question? Let us write given in the question. In the question they have given the what? Line length, line AB at the rate of 75 mm. Okay, and inclined to HP at an angle of 45. Inclined VP at the rate of 30 degree. Its one end is 25 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP. So these are given. So with that point we'll begin. So end is 75 mm above HP, 725 mm above HP. So here is my 25 mm above HP. Next 20 mm in front of VP. So 20 mm in front of VP. So first let me write this dimension because people do get confused in this dimension itself. So let me write clear dimension. So this is how much? 25 mm and this is how much? 20 mm. So please do focus on arrows, okay now? Next, what they told? Line 75 mm long. Okay, so in that case, first you have to drop a line here. Since it is inclined to both the HP and VP, in the case I have clearly explained you, even in ninth case we have two bit A and B. So first what you have to do, you should consider that the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, and second a line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So here, so this is 25 mm, this 20 mm. What they told, that the line is 75 mm long and inclined at 45 to HP. So here is my protractor. I'll incline my angle of 45. So first I'll drop a line of inclination of how much? 45 as given in the question. Similarly 30 at VP. So I'll take up a protractor, I'll mark 30 degree, I'll mark 30 degree Okay, this is how much? Given is 30 degree, and this given is 45 degree. The given length is 75. So let me measure 75. So it's something here, 75. It's here 75. So what you have to do now, you have to extend or draw a straight line towards the bottom here. Okay, now next step is you have to measure this and this. The distance between these two lines should be measured. So measure it, and from this point draw an arc. Draw an arc. So I'm drawing an arc. Right? Now we got a point. Next, since the true length, the given length is how much? You see, line length is 75. So this true length, this is called as true length, is given 75 mm. So here I'll measure 75 mm too. So 75 mm is here. Okay, that is my 75. So at 75 mm, I'll draw up a straight line. And while drawing the straight line, see that this 75 mm touches the arc which you have drawn at a certain point. Okay, now it is touching here, right? It is touching here. Now I will join this point and this point. Now this point is my A and this point is B. Now see that AB is my top view. Next, let this point be B2. Now AB2 is my true length. TL means true length. Okay, so we have found the top view, that is AB, and whose dimension of the true length is around 51. That is 51. Okay, next our aim is to find the front view also. So from this point I'll drop a straight line vertically up. Next, similarly, what you have done in top view, I'll measure this angle. Or the length or dimension, and from this point, from A point, I'll draw an arc. I have drawn an arc. Could you see the arc? Now, since this is my 75 true length, I'll drop a horizontal line which is parallel to XY. Now this line cuts the arc at this point, right? Now I'll just join these 2 points. Now since this is my top view and this is my front view, A dash, let this be B dash, and let this be B1 dash. Okay, if you want to, that's it, enough. And now see here, let me write here, and A dash B dash is my front view, and A dash B1 dash is my true length. The given true length is how much? 75. And this 45, which is also called as theta, also called as angle of HP, and this 30 which is called as phi, angle of TV. Now what is the front view? Let me measure it. Front view you are getting around 67, so front view is around 67. If at all you want, you can measure this angle alpha. You can also measure this angle beta. Okay now, and the inclination theta is 45, which is also called as true inclination. Okay, any doubt in this problem, please let me know, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and stay up tuned for the third problem. Okay, thank you.